Okay, so good. Now we've installed WordPress on our platform. So now we are going to use WordPress to design our website. So now let's go. So when you open your site, when you open the site, you see you are going to open the domain, the site that we created. Okay, so now you type Lenisi, like the domain that I created. Your domain that you choose, you create. Now you type your domain and then you add wp-admin. Now it will take you to the WordPress dashboard where you have to log in with the details that I said you should keep. You log in with those details. Now we are entering into the WordPress dashboard. Now you can do this on your phone, but it will be good to have a laptop so that you will be able to have more space for you to see what you are doing, because on a phone it may not appear very large for you to just navigate, although it will come. So let's go. So I'm entering into the WordPress dashboard. Good. Now you see I've entered into the WordPress dashboard. Now we are going to design our website using WordPress Builder. So when you enter, it gives you a welcome address. Just close the unnecessary information, any unnecessary information that appears. Now we have to give our website a theme or an appearance. So go to appearance and choose themes. We are looking for a very nice theme to choose. So now under themes, you can see the various themes that are here. We are looking for one theme called Astra. We are looking for a theme called Astra so that we use that one. So let's see if we can get Astra from here. Click on add new and then let's search for a theme, and the Astra theme. Now look, go. Now you see on the right you can see various themes. Okay, there are various themes. Now on the right you can see Astra. This is Astra on the right. So now this is the theme that we'll install to design our appearance of our website. Now we are installing. Install. Install is still installing. Now bear in mind that the kind of website that you want to build, if it is a business website or an education website or a personal blog or any website, the type of website you want to build. Now the theme that you will choose is very important. Your theme will show or determine the kind of website that you are building. Still installing. Now Astra themes are also very nice, so we'll see the details. It's still loading. Okay, it has been installed. Now I want to activate Oh no, this is giving me an error message. Okay, let me just go back. Good. Now this is it. Thank you for installation of Astra. Now activate. I'm activating. Click on activate. It's still loading. Okay, good. I've activated the Astra theme. Okay, now this video is showing you. Good. Now after putting on the theme, now we'll need to put in a very nice builder, and one of the builders that we can use in addition, as we have installed the Astra theme, there are other plugins that we must use. So this time we are looking for another plugin that we can use. So now let's go to this section and see. Good. Now this is select page builder. Okay, so now here we have Elementor here. So Elementor, good. Elementor will give you another options that we can use. So you can see various layouts of themes. Now which website am I building is very important. Now I'm looking for, because my website is a learning website, I'm looking for something concerning learning. So for me, I'm choosing something concerning learning. So let me go. We have e-learning, we have online courses, we have LMS. Okay, let me try the e-learning. Under e-learning, let me try LMS. I think LMS is a learning management system. Let me choose, okay, course marketplace. No, this one is for sales. They are selling courses. No, I want a learning, so let me choose LMS. Let's see what LMS will give me. Okay, what type of site are you building? Good. So you can see various templates under learning that I can choose. So I have Learn-Academy, online health coach, e-course, learn baking. Oh, wonderful. I have various templates concerning learning. So learn digital marketing, online courses, online programming. Good, very nice. Now you can see some of them are paid, some are premium. They are premium. Some are premium, some are free. So I want to choose a free template. Let me look for a very nice free template that I can use. A free template. Good. This is a nice one. Online programming. Okay, let me go to the. Let's go. All these are free. They are premium. I'm looking for a free one. Okay, let me see. How do I get the free ones? Okay, let me scroll up. Okay, I can see some here. Okay, let's go. E-course is premium. Online health, no. Learn Dash. Okay, good. This one is appropriate. Let me choose this one. Now it opens to give you the details, the layout, and how it looks like. So on the left you can see have good. You see a nice design. This is a nice design. So I can use this to design my website using my domain name. So you can see this just an example. So this is how my layout of my site will be. This site will be. Now the editing is there for you to edit all the information. You edit the pictures and then you put in the right pictures that you want to put in. Now on the left, you can see on the left there is an edit side for the logo, where you can add the logo and then all the necessary things you want to do. Good. This is a nice design. You can see that it's a portion to upload logo, and the moment you upload, it comes on the screen, and then the pages, the home page, and so on. Okay, let's go down and see. Okay, let me just continue. Now another aspect is the color. So if I want to change how the color is, I just look at the options. See, when I click, it shows how the color combination will be. Okay, let's look at the options. Let's look at the color options. Okay, red is 2. Okay, this one too. Green and then blue. Okay, I think the first one will be okay. Let me choose the first one. Let me go with the first one. Let me go with the first one. Okay, I like the first one. Okay, now and then the fonts, the various fonts. If you want to change how the writing is, you just click anyone that you desire. Click anyone that you desire. Okay. Okay. So click continue, and then you just continue with it. So I'm going to stop here so that you do it on your own. Just continue, and then you